This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 31 SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, oven, external shower, microwave, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, stove top burner, spare tire kit, LP detector, CO detector, slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 31 SE is 7,172 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.